All right, so I just got this, and I think this is something you put on the back of your phone and you can put your finger in it and hold it. It's by Syncwire. Let's take a look at it and see what we got. Okay, some more stuff in there. Oh, you may need this, right? This is the directions. Let's set the box over there. Directions, might want to use those. It does come with this interesting deal that you can, so if you're trying to get it on your phone, let me grab a phone, show you. So let's say you want to put it on the phone, and it's giving you, like, where you want to put it. And I think that's where we would put it, right? Right there. And then, that's iPhone 15. And then gives you the, you can measure it. Positioner for metal ring, how to use. It's got some steps down here, you can read those. All right, let me set this down. All right, it does come with these, and they have see, this one's already stuck on here. I gotta pull it off. It's a very powerful magnet. So they have this little thing here that when you pull it off, it sticks. You follow me? You see that? So you want to leave that on there until you're ready to stick it. So I'm going to set those down. And then this is the magnet. Holy shit. All right, so it's got to come out of this thing. Got it. That was ridiculous. All right, so it's important. So read those first. And let's see what it says here. It says use it with MagSafe phone cases, which provide stronger magnetic force. Non-magnetic phone cases will not use. For the strongest magnetic force, attach the metal ring to the smooth and clean surface of the phone. Anyway, you guys can read that, take a screenshot, and basically you're going to pull this off. And once you do, you've got this. Let's see if I can get it to come out. Here we go. There we go. Hang on. Well, this is not easy. This is ridiculous. This is supposed to. Oh, maybe it goes this way. All right, I just pulled that off of there. That probably wasn't good. Oh yeah, okay. So I did pull it. It's got to come this way. So that part where it's laying on there, that's the part that this pops open like this. So, and this is your, for your finger. Hold your phone. So this goes on your phone, and then, you can smush this down like that. You follow me? And so what you have to do is you have to put one of these on the phone. You get two of them. And then this, boom, like that, sticks to it, right? Here, let's pull it off, like that. So this, you put on the phone. This side is sticky, and then, once you have this on here, like that, you follow me? Then this is going to go on like that. And then you pull it out like this. And then you can hold it like that. Ching ching! Check it out. That's it. That's how it works. And I didn't even, to tell you the truth, I didn't even glue it on. I just set it on, and it's holding it. So, you can see I didn't pull the blue tab off yet. If I did, that would be stuck on the phone. And then this would be on, your magnetic thing. And then when you're ready to close it down like that, you just go like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, I do want to show you something interesting. You really don't even need to put that circle on there. You can just put this on there like that. And check this out. Look at this. You can do something like that, right? Or like this. Look, it's perfect. It's perfect for setting it up to do video. You know what I mean, jelly beans? I'll show you, hang on. Look what I did. I just put it here. And now I can shoot video this way, or I could shoot it like this if I want to do a photo. It's perfect. This is perfect for on the run, right? And look, it does definitely holds it really well. So, I mean, it's really a super strong magnet. So, yeah, that's pretty cool right there. Bam. Yeah, I recommend this. This is really good. I like it. Look at that. Cha-ching. All right. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome video on stuff like this. Peace out.